What is up, guys? This is Josh from Lead and Iron, and this video is a grow with me video. We are going to take this Windows key and load Windows on it. First thing you want to do, for me it's just easier to go to Google and type in Media Creation Tool, and then it goes to Microsoft.com right to the site. So now that you're here, you're going to create a Windows 10 installation media. So you're going to download that tool, open it. It's going to ask you if you want that app to make changes, and you're going to click yes, because it's not going to be on your PC. It's going to be on that USB drive. It's going to get a few things ready, and while that's doing that, we'll shut that down, and then we're going to plug in our key, and that's going to pop up. So that's going to be drive I. And what you want to do is format this USB stick. So we'll go to Drive Tools, Format. It goes to FAT32 default, which is fine. I normally do NTFS, but FAT32 is fine, or exFAT is fine too. So either one are going to be fine. I'm going to leave the volume label blank because it will. Let me get this in the middle here. Warning: format will erase all data on this disk. To format the disk, click OK. To quit, hit cancel. So we're going to hit OK. Quit format. See, format is complete. Hopefully my voice isn't too loud on this, because I am kind of close to it, even though I am behind the camera. I'm pretty close to it, so we might have to really lower the volume down. So I do not want to upgrade this PC now. What I want to do is create an installation media on a USB flash drive, and we're going to hit next. It's going to recommend the option for this PC, which is fine. Your PC that you're going to build will change all that anyway. So we're going to use a USB flash drive. It needs to be at least 8 gigabytes. This key is 16 gigabytes. I always tend to try to go over, just in case, because sometimes files can be pretty large. So we'll hit next. It's going to be an I with a no label. That's the one we just formatted. Hit next. It's going to get a few things ready. It's going to take a little while. It's going to take maybe 4 or 5 minutes, maybe. But it looks like it's zooming along pretty good there. We're already at 20%. It's been like 10 seconds. So hopefully it does go pretty fast. I mean, this is probably my fastest PC I have, so. This is the one that I do my video editing on with DaVinci Resolve up here, so it should go pretty quickly. But this is just a way that you can grow with me. This way you can learn how to have a copy of Windows on a key. You kind of want to update it every now and then, because there's a lot of changes that happen, and that way you don't sit in front of your computer after you're done building it for hours on end updating. This is just a way that you have tools available to you if you get blue screens, corrupted files, for startup stuff like that. You'll be able to upload Windows again and keep your information that you kept on your files. So yeah, it went pretty quick, probably about a minute. It's going to verify the download now, and now it's creating the Windows media. So like I said, I might take maybe 5 minutes tops altogether. These are just kind of some of the tools that after you're done building your PC, a lot of people don't touch on this subject. So yes, you will need like a laptop. You can do this through Apple as well, like a MacBook. As long as you're able to go to Microsoft, Google Media Creation Tool, and then you have a USB thumb drive that is at least 8 gigabytes. I would say 16 to be on the safer side. And then you're able to download that Windows Media Creation Tool into that USB drive. Just other tools. I just want you to have all the tools possible to you as you start on your journey to creating. I mean, you can even use this on a PC to help remove bloatware. Like, I know if you buy like a pre-build, they fill you, let's say you get a Dell, they're going to fill you with Dell stuff. This way you can just kind of take your key off of the pre-build, get your key, and then write it all down, take a picture of it, whatever, for your files. Alright guys, I'm back. And it looks like we're almost done here. We're at 98%. So just feel free to keep using your PC, but at the same time, you want to keep an eye and make sure that everything goes smooth and doesn't fail. It's only a couple minutes, It's not going to take too long. the whole process will probably take you, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes tops. That's formatting your thumb drive, going online, doing whatever you need to do, and then having it downloaded onto your thumb drive. It doesn't take very long at all. So it says my USB flash drive is now ready. We hit finish. It's going to take a few, clean it up. We're going to X out of that. We're going to go into here. And that's what I named it to. And here are your files. That's it, guys. Literally, that's all it takes to get a media creation tool thumb drive. Now you have the tools to go back and install Windows, whether if you're using your key on an existing key, or if you go to like, and you get a new key from a site or from Microsoft or wherever you get them from. This tool now will enable you to, I mean, re-upload Windows if you have to, or just up it on a new build. So we're going to eject, and it's done. And then to do that, safe to remove hardware. And here's your key, guys. Here's your your USB thumb drive with Windows 10. Anyway, guys, thank you for growing with me. Now you guys know how to use a thumb drive to get Windows onto your thumb drive. Thanks again for watching. I gotta go because my back hurts.